mandatory in nature. We will discuss that as well. So later on, it's the government of India which implements these 5-year plans, which are actually given by the Planning Commission of India. So see, as far as composition of Planning Commission of India is concerned, its chairman is always Prime Minister of India of that time. So I will ask you a very simple question. The first 5-year plan, when was formed by the Planning Commission of India, the term for that was from 1951 to 1956. Sorry, I will repeat here that the chairman of the Planning Commission of India is always the Prime Minister of India of that time. So my question to you is, who was the first chairman of Planning Commission of India? पहला chairman कौन था? Jawaharlal, because he used to be the Prime Minister of India at that point of time. Are you ready? Yes, sir. And what other members are there in the Planning Commission of India as far as the cabinet resolution which was passed in March 1950? Other important ministers in the central government like Finance Minister, Home Minister, Agriculture Minister, Law Ministers, and other important portfolios which are there in the central cabinet. Those are also the members of the Planning Commission of India. Besides those, there are the chief ministers of all the states. Chief ministers of all the states are also the members of the Planning Commission of India. Why chief ministers have been made part of the Planning Commission of India? There is a reason for that. We need not to go there. But the first 5-year plan, which was given by Planning Commission of India, was for these years from 1951 to 56. 5-year plan, 5 सालों का मंसूबा. ये 5 सालों का मंसूबा देना मुल्क के लिए कि किस तरह मुल्क के अंदर इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट हो जाए, किन सेक्टर्स को प्रायोरिटाइज करना है, कहां पे ज्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी है, ये सारा प्रोग्राम प्लान पॉलिसी बनाई जाती है 5 सालों के लिए. एंड हु फॉर्म्स इट? इट वाज द रिस्पांसिबिलिटी ऑफ प्लानिंग कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया. लेकिन एक और बात कहना चाहूंगा कि आज प्लानिंग कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया क्योंकि इस नाम से मौजूद नहीं है, इट हैज बीन लेड by Modi government has been changed. This Planning Commission of India was converted into a NITI, one of the institutions that is called as a NITI Aayog, NITI-AYOG. Aayog means organization body, and NITI, its abbreviation here. What is the abbreviation for NITI? N, national. What is N? N is national institution for transforming India, and it is there from 1915, 1st January 1915 when it was formed. Exact date is 1st January 1915. So remember, Planning Commission of India was formed in 1950 in the month of March. But that Planning Commission of India worked till this Planning Commission of India was actually converted into NITI Aayog. There's a difference between Planning Commission of India and NITI Aayog. That's the second question. That was based on top-down model, Planning Commission of India, whereas NITI Aayog is based on bottom-top model or approach. That's a secondary thing. But here you will understand this thing, the importance of Planning Commission of India, the important function of the Planning Commission of India was to give 5-year plans for India, and those 5-year plans were being implemented by the government of India later on for the economic development. So let's go directly to the first 5-year plan. जो पहला 5 ईयर प्लान दिया गया, जिसकी मुद्दत 1951 से लेकर 1956 तक थी। जरा इस 5 ईयर प्लान के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। ये 5 ईयर प्लान कौन देता है? हु गिव्स 5 ईयर प्लान? प्लानिंग कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया। आज प्लानिंग कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया है हिंदुस्तान में? आज प्लानिंग कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया हिंदुस्तान में आज क्या